If you've lost access to your iCloud account and cannot receive verification codes, there are still ways to recover your account. Follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Apple ID account page. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Enter your Apple ID. Input your Apple ID email address associated with your account. If you don't remember it, you can click on Look It Up to retrieve it using your personal information. Step 3. Choose Recovery Options. Select the option to reset your password. Since you cannot receive verification codes, look for the option that allows you to answer security questions or use account recovery. Step 4. Answer security questions. If prompted, answer the security questions you set up when you created your account. This will help verify your identity and allow you to reset your password. Step 5. Contact Apple Support. If you cannot recover your account using the previous steps, contact Apple Support directly. They can assist you with additional recovery options and verify your identity through other means. By following these steps, you should be able to regain access to your iCloud account. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Apple Support for further assistance.